Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I am fine. And you, Miss?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine. Thank you for asking. So, before we start our lesson today, let's have a prayer session together. Okay? Ala dunia wala kulli tasawwuf, al-Fatihah. Finish. Okay, before we start our lesson, I will call your name for list attendance. When I call your name, please say present, right? Nabil. Okay. Next, Wardatu Nafisa.
Present, Miss.
Amelia Nevaiko.
Present.
Muslimah Hikmah.
Present, Miss.
Sri Wulandari.
Present, Miss.
Putri Ambun, Putri Mama.
Present, Miss.
Winur Syahbani.
Present, Miss.
Muhammad Al-Hussein.
Nobody.
Okay, he's absent. Then Muhammad Abdullah. Jinani Firdausia. Sylvia Delusi.
Present.
Okay, that's the last of you. Okay guys, so we're going to start our lesson. Today we will learn about procedure text. Have you ever heard about this? Procedure text before?
Yes, and like junior way for something.
Can you say louder, Kak?
The type when we make something or like food or other.
That's right. So, before I will give you the overview about procedure text, firstly, I want you to know that our lesson today, the procedure text, we will learn, and our goal is for you. So actually our goals for learning this kind of text is for you to know how to organize sentences, and you can know how to make something and also tell people how to do something with procedure text. Okay, please next. Okay, going to the definition of procedure text. The definition of procedure text is text which shows a process in order. Do you know what this means? What? Dwi, can you answer?
How about kita buat mungkin how to make something like nasi goreng step by step. Okay.
Thank you, Dwi. That is the key of our procedure text. The key is step by step, right? To make a procedure text, of course, we have to use a step by step from the very first step until the last, non-missing. Okay. Next is social function. What is the social function of procedure text? It is procedure text is to tell the reader how to do or make something through a sequence of series. It means you will tell people how to do something in steps. Of course, it must be regular, Regular. Do you know what is regular? Bertahap. It has to be regular. Gak bisa acak. Okay. Okay. So that is the social function. So you can know how. So you can know to do something, and you also can tell people how to do something. Next. Talking about every text. Of course, every text have their own language features or structures. These are the language features of procedural text. The first is using simple present tense. Procedural text, of course, have to use simple present tense, not simple past tense, not continuous tense. No. We have to use simple present tense. Do you guys know what is the form of simple present tense? Do you guys know? I think you guys already know it because it is so common in our community to use simple present tense. Yes, Sylvie, can you answer?
What kind of the rules-nya?
Yeah, the form.
The form. Kata kerja.
Of course.
Subject. Verb ya, verbnya.
Of course, subject.
Ya, subject, verb,
Verb.
one,
One.
and then object.
That is very easy, right? Just subject, verb one, and object. And for interrogative, we only use do. Do, subject, and verb, and of course object. If on negative, we use do not or does not, right? You already know about this kind of students. Next is verb. Yes. Sorry, that's okay. Okay, the next is use adverbials of sequence like first, second, third, fourth, minutes, and the last, right? And the next is using imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, I will give you the example after this. And the last using size of those, like half teaspoons of sugar, 30 grams of cheese, 3 tablespoons of salt. Okay? Teaspoon we can say also TSP. TSHEC, that is teaspoon. For tablespoon, TBS, you know, right? Kalau in recipe you of course you will find like TBS, TSP. That the meaning is teaspoon and tablespoon. Next, please. This is the Okay, I already promised you that I will give you the example of imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is to refer that relative relate to doing something like pouring. What doing of pour? Pour. Wow, right. What about cut? Spear? into pieces, like slice of pizza, slice of cucumber, something like that. And peel, what about peel? Right. What about mix? That is the imperative sentence. You guys have to remember it every time, right? Next, yes, thank you. After talking about the language features, we will talk about the structure of text procedure. The first is, of course, the goals. We show the goals with the title. If you want to know, it contains the purpose of the text. Of course, the narration is the title of our procedure text. And the second is materials. Materials refers to every material like tools, like ingredients, that is material. In procedure text, what you need, what you have to do these kind of things, that is materials. Now, after books and materials, we have the last structure of the procedure text, that is steps. Now, in this step, it is we could say the main order where we can know how to do something. In this step session, we will know how to do something because in this step, we as the writer, will tell everyone how to do something, of course, in order or step by step, from the very first until the last. Next. Yeah, this is the example for procedure text. Now, how to make sandwich is the title, right? In structure of procedure text, how to make sandwich is what structure? What Auntie? Can you say it louder? Right, that is close. What about the ingredients? What part? Right. And the steps? It's obvious, it's steps. Yeah, that is the example. You guys can write, read it. Next. Yeah. After I tell you about what is procedure text, I think you are understand enough, aren't you?
Yes.
Or not? If not, you can tell me what is your questions. Now, ask. Please ask. If you don't understand anything, yeah. Yeah, I open. Just ask. Nah, berapa menit kan?
14, 12.
Tidak salah di lagu. Salah menit. That only sebelum itu aja. Ya, aktif dia masih. Guys. Okay, since none of you want to ask, so here the exercise for you to do out. Now this is rearrange the sentence. Rearrange the sentence. What is meaning of rearrange? Rearrange. Rearrange. Arrange kan beratur. Rearrange nanti tidak beratur kan beratur. Rearrange itu you have to make it in order. write it down from the first until the last, guys, because it's still acak mix, random, and you have to make it organized. Okay, please do the exercise. If you're not going to do it, you have to make it in your home, make it your home, right? Next, yeah, homework. This is the motivation. The man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stone. Like, you know what it means? Seseorang yang membuat sebuah gunung itu dimulai dari satu batu kecil. Jadi gunung itu terbentuk dari satu batu kecil. It means kalian harus tetap berjalan walaupun nggak berubah, yang penting berubah dikit-dikit. Make you a good person. Next is thank you for your attention, guys. I hope this lesson will be that's all for me. This is a nice session. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.